Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Welcome back to another video about Cardano Reality. Today's video is going to be very special for all Cardano holders, my friends. My friends, that is also the entertainment video for all of you. So keep this watch complete, my friends. And also please, I request everybody to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. Absolutely, in the upcoming days the giveaway of the Cardano is coming soon, so get ready on the channel, my friends. Let's start the video, my friends. Let's go ahead. First of all, my friends, now the changes of the Cardano is once again going complicated and no one can understand that what will be the next move of the Cardano. But my friends, don't worry, everything will be okay. You have to just wait, you have to just patience, my friends. Everything will be okay. My friends, just look here, the latest situation of the Cardano is also okay, positive. You can see in the last 60 minutes the Cardano start pumps. So if they start pumps, so that's mean that Cardano start jump, the price of Cardano is increasing. So if the price increasing, so that's mean that we are getting profit from the Cardano India. Anyways, let me show you more about the Cardano. Let's check it out, the price chart of the Cardano. Absolutely, my friends, the price was down. I also told you in the start of this video that the changes of the Cardano is going complicated, but at the last term everything is going good. You can see, my friends, in the last hour, in the last 60 minutes the Cardano does start jumping in. Still, my friends, still Cardano is in the jumping mode. So my friends, hope you like this latest update. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more updates and news video about Cardano. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe now.